How to add token to Bitget Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add token to your Bitget wallet. To do so, first of all, open your Bitget application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the wallet icon. Tap on this icon and by doing so you will reach to this page. Here you will need to scroll down and at the bottom you will be able to see your added tokens. From here now to add a new token, either you will need to tap on this manage tokens button at the very bottom or you may also tap on this plus button next to search icon at the right side. Once you tap on one of these options, you will reach to this page. Here you will be able to see the list of tokens. From here now you can scroll down to find the token that you are looking for. Once you find the token, you will need to tap on the plus button at the right side of the token to add it to your wallet. If you want to add more tokens, you can simply scroll down to find the one and then repeat the same process. If in case you didn't find the token in this list, you may also use the search bar at the top. You will need to enter the name of the token you are looking for in the search bar and from the search results at the bottom, here find the specific token and then tap on the plus button at the right side in order to add it to your wallet. Soon after doing that, you can come back to the previous page in this wallet tab and then here you'll be able to see the tokens that you have added earlier. So by following these steps, you should be able to add tokens on your Bitget wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.